Hello everyone. Recently our Pokemon project. Our team member include Nguyễn Trung, which is myself, and Bùi Thị Cẩm Vân. First of all, I will talk about the Pokédex part one. That is the Pokédex. In the server of the Pokédex, uh, in the main function, they will establish the TCP connection and and look on handle the connection. Mm, in the handle connection function, uh, first we will declare a base path and declare a Pokédex handler and a repository. When the client receives the connection, it will read the connection and assign to the file name. Then if we stream all the space and have the Pokédex handler to get the Pokemon, uh, and and after that it will write the Pokemon information to the client. Now let's get deeper into the internal part of Pokédex. The Pokédex handler have a function that create a new Pokédex handler. We check in a Pokédex repository. The Pokédex handler have one function, which is the get Pokemon function. It will find the monster by ID uh, by using the Pokédex repository and personalize the Pokemon data and into the JSON data file and return it to the returning line and the server will fulfill. In the repository folders, there are Pokédex repository, which have all the function that to retrieve the data from our database. They have the get monster move, get monster type, get its description, and get the monster by ID, which will get the description and type in there and return a Pokemon type with monster its move with description and type. Uh, in the API folder, we have a list of different description of the weather or maybe the environment, and we have this description of different types of the Pokemon. With easy by using the Pokédex API URL. Hence, we store all the monster move and skin monster in JSON file. These are the type of the description monster move, the skin monster, and the type. So in the client folder, we have a main function that dial TCP port on the localhost AD, and which it will take in Pokemon name that we input from our terminal and respond with the data. So let's let me show you how it's running. First, running the server. then run the client. We will display search for a Pokemon name, and this is a random name, and it will restore all the Pokemon data in JSON file. Next is the battle client part, and it consists of a battle server folder, and a battle client server. Other battle server folders, main function that declare TCP servers and handle connections, so that handle all the connection from the client that we receive. First, it will, and also in the battle server we have a user manager function that has all the function about the user and how to manage user information, such as get user instance, get user Pokemon, get user HP, get user active Pokemon is active HP, add user or update Pokemon. And we have a stop battle function, determine order, and player names and forecast Pokemon. We also have the form battle, which will handle the battle from two players. As you can see, there are other functions regarding the decision to make in the battle, or the logic to run the battle as well. In the main function of the battle server, first step in the handle connection function, it will get a user instance and read the data from the client, which will be in three cases. First is the new client connection. Second is receive Pokemon information, and third is to process the battle. We will receive the move information and send the result back to the client. In the client function, I will have a TCP function, and it will dial the TCP port like before. The connection port, it will get the username input and get response from the server as a girl routine. After that, we'll have read user input, user Pokemon input to the server, and user battle input to the server. This function get username from input will get the username and send it to the server. This function get and send, read and send Pokemon will read the Pokemon and send the Pokemon to the server. This is read and send battle, which will read the move of the player and send it to the spot server. And this is the function that read the response from the server and display it to the client. we can see it will read the connection as long as if the connection contains connection string. Then the winner is, it will end at the and will end the program with a message, thank you for playing. Now let's run the server. Let's run the battle part. First we will run the server as usual. Next we will run the client. We will enter a username. Then we can see a new client is detected and display on the server terminal. Then we will enter the Pokemon name. If we don't know where to get the Pokemon name, we can use this JSON file right here. Okay, it will make us input 3 Pokemon, so I will input 3 random Pokemon. So this server actually require 2 clients to run, so I will run another client server client application and enter a new user. Now we input 3 new command to this client. After that, we can see that the battle is open, and it says here on the user, on the second user terminal, that is choose your next move, and the user one Pokemon and its HP. I can choose a normal attack or a special attack. I will choose a normal attack for this one. And it can see here that the message that is displayed, Vân Bùi has text down is the normal attack move. This 25 damage to my Pokemon. And now my Pokemon at 15 HP, and I will choose an attack for my Pokemon. I will choose a special attack, and you can see just like before, it will display the damage that my Pokemon dealt to the other user Pokemon. You can see that the HP is now 0, so this user Pokemon has been knocked out, and it will send a new active Pokemon to the battle, and we can choose the attack. I will choose the normal attack, and now my Pokemon is dead, and I will send another Pokemon to attack, but I will quit to show you that when I to quit, it will render the winner is the other user and display the technical play message and end the application. So that is the battle application of my Pokemon project. That is the catch Pokemon project. Here we'll have a sub-region type, location, Pokemon encountered, area type. This get function will The get function will handle the the HTTP request and send and return the body. This is the get region request. If we use the get function to get get the HTTP request from the server and set attach it to the body and return the region result. This is the same as the one above. This one is for region detail. This is for location detail. This is the get area, get Pokemon. This get Pokemon function will take in a string which is username Pokemon name that we use put and search for it on the Pokemon, and it will handle not it will return not found if this doesn't exist, or if it's found then the URL for that Pokemon is formatted, and we use the get function to send it to the body and unmarshalize it and return the Pokemon value. This is a get random encounter function. It will randomize possible Pokemon encounter and select it. And select its name and assign it to the selected variable and return the get Pokemon function of the selected Pokemon. This download image will download the image URL that was received from the HTTP URL connection, and it will copy it in the directory that we specify. This open image is for opening the a new image, an image, that Pokemon image that was just downloaded. So in the main function, when we run it, it will get the region using the get region function, get region details, get location details, get area, and get a random Pokemon encounter, which will display an error message if an error appears. If there is no error appear, it will display the Pokemon encounter and display the image that starts, and then we download the image and open image for you. So let me show you how the application works. We just go run main. Let's go in the tag folder, and we will retrieve random data from the Pokemon API URL. You see the select region, location, area, and it has encounter a polywag, and this is the start and the image. And as you can see, it has displayed. It has opened a new image, download it and open the new image. Is called the Pokemon image in this directory. So that is all the part of our Pokemon project presentation. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us.